Hi, I'm T, and today I want to show you a project that I've been working on called DasHass. It's an app that helps organize your Home Assistant views for spousal approval. Although it is a work in progress, I wanted to showcase a quick demo so I can get suggestions from fellow Home Assistant users. Let's begin. I wanted to make installation and usage as simple as possible, so I created an onboarding process similar to that of Home Assistant. All you need is your Home Assistant URL and a long-lived access token. I'm working on an integration to create a QR code so it's simple as scanning. The first thing that you do after entering your credentials is selecting where you're going to get your weather from. This is for the notifications on the home screen. This is the All view. This will show you everything that is on or in use in your home. Up top, we have areas that coincide with the areas on your Home Assistant server. Up next, the setting screens. I've created a range of settings so that you can customize your home screens either individually or globally. More on that to come. Let's try hiding the room name and see what happens. As you can see, the room name in the upper left quadrant is now hidden. That's global. It's across all areas. Next, let's turn off the area tabs. This is great for a guest room where you don't want them to access other areas. Let's disable a few more things and see what happens. Yeah, look at that. A minimal dashboard that the wife would approve of. What the wife won't approve of is being freezing in the middle of winter or being extremely hot in the summertime. Let's add a thermostat card so that she can change the temperature. Perfect. Now she can change the temperature from any room that she's in. This card applies globally, but you can disable it in case you have rooms with individual heating controls. Speaking of individual rooms, those backgrounds are looking pretty boring. They're the same on every area. Let's change that. I have some images attached to my areas in Home Assistant, and now those images will be displayed by their room. Here's a demo of how some of the cards will be displayed when you click on them. Let's start with media. You can see all the players in the current room and control each one separately. Next, let's look at lighting control. We can see all of the lights in the room and we can choose to dim them accordingly. Same thing goes for shades. We can move them up and down as we please. Now that I'm off the All page, I can go to Settings and edit this page individually. Let's hide the room name and the date as an example. Et voila, they're both gone. I've also added a font size selector so even Grandma Betsy can use it. I'm currently working on a security card that can be placed in an individual room to allow you to see your security cameras, your sensors, just in case you forgot to close a window or a door. It's still a work in progress, but I want to hear what you guys think of it, and if you have any suggestions for me to add, let me know. I would love to make this a full-fledged dashboards replacement, and I want to make it as easy as possible for you guys to customize. More on the setup in a later video. And that's pretty much it for now. So tell me, is this something you could see yourself using? If so, what would you like me to add? What would you like to see improved? Or am I just wasting my time because there's a better solution out there? Let me know. Thanks.